Hi friends and family, welcome to Aprapransa Twist. In today's video, we're making a simple Easter party favorite Aprapransa recipe. Let's get right into this one. I already made my palm nut soup with some momoni and I'll leave the link to this in the description box below. I'll be adding my shrimp powder, herring powder, and 2 medium-sized herrings which I already broke into pieces, and some diced onions. And on a medium heat, I'll put this to a boil for them to soften up and absorb the flavors from the soup for just 15 minutes. And for this recipe, I'll be making a tasty shrimp sauce for our Aprapransa. In a pot, I'll add some palm oil for my palm nut soup. To this, I'll add some diced onions, tomatoes, habanero chilies, and cook this on a medium heat for 7 minutes. Add some shrimp powder, salt to taste, cook this for an extra 3 minutes and our sauce is ready. And for your Aprapransa to be good, your soup must be equally tasty. We'll be adding in 2 cups of roasted corn flour and stir this in. I used 7 cups of soup and this consistency was just right for me. I'll continuously stir this as our Aprapransa is forming up so beautifully. And the thing with Aprapransa is as you're cooking or as it sits, it's going to rise or get harder. Usually I like a soft Aprapransa consistency, and depending on how you like it, you can add in more or less soup. And friends, if you have not subscribed to Aprapransa Twist yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. And as you can see, our Aprapransa has risen so beautifully. It's not too dry, has the right amount of moisture, and this is just perfect. We will be dishing this out, garnish it with some crabs, and enjoy with our shrimp sauce. And I'll be adding a thin layer of our shrimp sauce to this, and it was so delicious. This Aprapransa was a perfect complement to our Easter feast, and we totally enjoyed this. And I'll be adding my crabs which I boiled to garnish, and this Easter is already going so well. Friends, you are all invited to my home. This Aprapransa tasted so good, and I love the chunks of herrings in it. You can always try this for your parties, get-togethers, or even simple family dinners. This was tasty, easy to make, and was a good presentation for our buffet table. I hope you're able to give this a try and kindly let us know in the comment section how it goes. If you have stayed with me till now, I'll say thank you. And if it's your first time passing by, you are so welcome to Aprapransa Twist. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our videos. And until I see you guys in another one, happy Easter to you and your family, and bye from Aprapransa Twist.